That's a great question. And when it comes to big transitions and changes in our lives, like even routine ones that we might be used to, like going back to school, there are definitely things to look out for kids. So one thing to consider is that stress can be a very normal part of our lives in moderation. So things like going to a new place and meeting new people, even studying for a test, or practicing for a sport that you're playing and doing. There serves purpose in that. It gives us some motivation and helps us work through those challenges that are a part of our lives. But there are definitely things that you might notice in your child, and it's definitely different and unique for every child and every person. Things like our temperament and how we adjust and respond to new situations and new people can be a big part of it. Our coping resources and tools that we might have, our social supports, and also our experience managing these things previously can also impact how we deal with that. So for kids, we might notice things like changes in sleeping or eating habits, so maybe not having much of an appetite, having trouble sleeping at night, falling asleep, staying asleep, nightmares. We might notice some irritability or crying or mood changes, and sometimes things that we might see as behavioral acting out or things like anger presentation. Sometimes that's actually an indication of underlying anxiety and stress that kids have. We might also notice clinginess and kids wanting to be close to you. And also some kids might be very verbally articulate about feeling stressed and worried. And there are definitely many things you can do as a parent or an adult in a child or teenager's life. So validating their feelings and taking time to check in and connect every day, making sure that you have opportunities to let out the stress and have some fun together, and also getting ready through that transition, such as having fun choices and making it exciting, and practicing your route to go to school and having a routine established before school starts. So there's a lot of resources available for families to help through this transition.